Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Conway local and long distance movers near me. Are you in need of moving services in Conway, Arkansas? 3Movers are available in your area to provide comprehensive moving solutions. We are a registered moving company that deals with local and international moves. You do not need to stress yourself by attempting to move your stuff without involving the professionals. We have experts committed to a seamless transfer of goods from one location to another safely. Our services cover private and public sectors, local and international, residential or commercial, among many. In addition, we operate within your budget by devising strategies specific to your circumstances. With the appropriate approvals, we traverse countries and continents. Our long-distance experience is unmatched. We will make your long-distance move more unforgettable through our all-around knowledgeable staff of movers and drivers. Our vehicles and other hauling machines are well-serviced to handle any goods you might be having. It is prudent to engage us right from the start of the process to the end to give you a seamless strategy that suits your situation. We understand the challenges that come with long-distance moving. What with the approvals, the documentation, and general logistics. Need to move stuff within Conway for a short distance? Don't underestimate. Try 3Movers and get a local solution for that. It could be costly if you fail to plan. You should factor in disassembly, packing, loading, and unloading. Consequently, many people have left their possessions to deteriorate because of failure to engage professionals to haul them around. If you use our services, we will release you to take charge of other commitments while handling the heavy stuff. Once we take charge of the process, your goods are good to go. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Conway moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.